Now let's solve question number 4. A dentist mirror. See, dentist mirror. So this is the key word. So there are certain keywords in the question which helps us to identify the type of mirror. Remember, sometimes the type of mirror will not be specified in the question, and we have to find the type of mirror from certain keywords specified in the question, and it will be hidden. You have to find it out. Remember, I have already explained you the application of a concave mirror, that when it is kept close to an object, okay, image formed is always erect, virtual and magnified, and that is the case where it is used as a shaving mirror, makeup mirror or a dentist mirror. So whenever shaving, makeup or a dentist mirror comes, it is always a concave mirror. Other words to get a concave mirrors are real image, because real image is always formed by concave mirror. So sometimes the question will be like, the image is obtained on a screen. So whenever term comes screen, that means we have obtained the image on the screen. That means the image is a real, and real image is always formed by concave mirror. So if I talk about a dentist mirror, I will simply write mirror type as concave. Sometimes surveillance mirror, rear view mirror will be given, or parking mirror. So these mirrors are nothing but convex mirror. Here, since it is a dentist mirror, I have taken it as a concave mirror, and radius of curvature has been given 3 cm. So remember, for concave mirror focal length is negative, so radius of curvature will also be negative. So R ka value is -3. So using the formula f is equal to r by 2, what is f ka value? Come on, tell me. -3 by 2 centimeter. How far must it be placed from a small dental cavity to get a virtual image of cavity, that is 5 times? That means from the cavity, where must be a mirror kept to get the size of the cavity as 5 times? And remember, okay, to get virtual size of the cavity as 5 times, that means they have given magnification as 5 times, but we are talking about virtual magnification, and definitely it has to be positive, and we have to find the position of mirror from the object. That means we have to find the object distance. See here, how far the mirror should be placed from cavity. That means how far should a mirror be kept from the cavity? We are asked to find u over here. So u is question mark. So m ka value has been given +5. Again m is minus v by u plus 5. So come on, tell me v ka value will be. Come on, tell me v ka value will be 5u minus 5u. And if I use the equation 1 upon f equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u, substituting the values, where f is, come on, tell me, -3 by 2, so this becomes -2 by 3. And what is v? It is -1 upon 5u, and it is 1 upon u. I can take LCM as 5u, so -1, again I will multiply 5 over here, so -1 plus 5. Remember, you can solve this mathematical equation by your own method. So -2 by 3, right? So this gives you -2 by 3. -1 plus 5 will give you 4 by 5u. So that is 5 2s are -10u, and 4 3s are 12. And u ka value will be -12 by 10. So u ka value is -1.2 centimeter. I have already told you, whether you solve the value of u or you use the value of u, it will always be negative. To use -1.2 centimeter, that means mirror should be kept at 1.2 centimeter in front of cavity. That is the required answer.